Alright folks, well we just got another opportunity here. I just saw this trade. This is our GC silver gold trade that we tried earlier. We ended up positive 60 bucks on that trade, which was a little disappointing as we were up 320. But alright folks, I just had an opportunity show up here. We have we're long in the revisit of the silver and gold trade. If you remember right, we got filled at this point about 9:05. We got stopped out for a $60 profit here, but the expectation is still very high. The expectation is way up there. We have a breakout of our exhaustion triangle here, so we're long right now. We're up between 10 and 80 bucks right now, and I'm going to be holding on for a while. Let's see if we can get up to this level. So we're up 110, between 110 and 150 right now, and we are seeing some strength come in, so we'll keep an eye on that market as well. Okay folks, so we're in the silver and gold spread here. We're up about 160-ish. I'm on two contracts, by the way, two spread contracts, so that's long 2 silvers and short 2 gold futures. So we're at 130. I'm going to take partial on this, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sell one. Alright, so we're at 60 bucks, which isn't really enough. I want to get to about 100. So once I move up a little bit more, we're going to sell one, at least bank some profit, and then hold on for a longer push. So I'm at plus 100 right now. This is our estimated P&L again. This is usually the worst case scenario, is the one that's printed at the bottom of the actual price chart. It's probably, this is not as realistic, the one that's showing up in Ninja. Again, because when we go exit at market, these things can be a lot of slippage involved. So I'm at plus 110 right now. Let's go ahead and sell one. So I sold it out for, actually, see, some slippage hit me. So I was up for about 75, I believe, 85, 75. So slippage it plays a factor here. We want to be aware of that. And I'll pause it and we'll come back when we either hit target or hit stop loss. Yeah, so we're weakening here. I got out at plus 75 on the first contract. I'm going to go ahead and exit out here once I get a little pop up positive, and we're out of this market. It just didn't follow through. We were expecting a move up with the expectation, but this market today is a little softer, so we'll go ahead and close out once I get a little pop. Alright, we're looking for our exit here. I'd like to get at least a little bit of a break even, maybe even a buck or two in the green before we go ahead and close out our last long spread here. We should get a little pop. So again, we were expecting a breakthrough here, so we went long at this point. Silver made a nice move up, which is great, but it looks like gold might have also moved up. And when that happens in a spread, it basically, wipes each other out and we get a sideways movement. And so Ninja is showing plus 35. We're showing our estimated P&L right now is negative 15. We'll hold on a little bit longer and I'll exit out when I get a little bit of a breathing room. I want to accommodate some slippage. I don't like that we're getting red short-term moving average here. The fast moving average is starting to beat red a little bit. We're at plus 10, plus 20. Let's see if we get a little pop. Maybe we get up into the $50 range. That'll account for slippage. Silver being a $25 a tick instrument, you get 2 tick slippage, you're out 50 bucks, so it's very important. Give you a little breathing room. You can see that Ninja's reporting a plus $55 P&L, 70. So we're at 70 here. We're getting a little nice move. Let me go up another little pop. Ninja's at plus 110. Our estimated is still at 55. And let's hold on another minute or two. Be great if we can move this thing decisively higher, but it is kind of soft today. plus 40 only, plus 70 from Ninja's control center. Alright traders, so we're coming into the market is still pretty soft on this spread, and we're coming into a downturn, expected downturn in the spread value, so I'm going to go ahead and cut us loose here. We're going to sell this. And we came up with $35 on that trade. So overall for the gold and silver trade, then we were up $110 total for the gold and silver trade. So we're out now, and we'll continue looking for other opportunities.